System 1 loaded.
Filming? Are you filming now? Are you filming on your new camera? Do you got that definition that you truly deserve? Ah! Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you my nighttime routine as I come to you in the evening, in the PM, ready to do my face. Now if you haven't already heard, Chloe's got a new camera. As you can see, look at the definition. I'm so happy, finally not filming on my phone. So hope you enjoy this video and this new definition. So my skin has been doing a madness since quarantine started. It has been breaking out, it has been not cooperating, it has been a nightmare. So I invested in some great skincare. I have been using the Mario Badescu Special Cucumber Lotion, as well as other skincare products from his brand. Now I bought a big kit, it's the acne kit, so I'll link it in the description box, so if you want to try it, you can. It has cleared my face, like honestly, cleared it up. So this was the side that was breaking out, and I'm gonna insert a picture of what it used to look like. And can you just appreciate the difference that this product has made on my face? And honestly, it didn't take that long as well. So I'm just gonna put some on some cotton pads. Now I was watching molly-mae's YouTube video the other day of her skincare routine, and she said that when she was in the villa, Amber used to use 2 cotton pads with the product and literally just go like this. So I'm gonna see if anything works, but I'm not really too fast. And always remember to get your neck, because you don't want a dirty neck. Especially if you fake tan. I'm a person that doesn't fake tan, even when in winter when I'm extremely pale. I don't fake tan, but if you are a person that fake tans, make sure that you get your neck, because your neck is dirty. Okay, it's dirty. Okay, so now that my face is basically scraped off, I'm then going to use my fan. So I don't use anything on my face when it comes to drying. So I only use my fan. I'll never use a towel, a t-shirt, nothing. Just because obviously with cotton it picks up a lot of dirt. I don't want to just wash my face and then put dirt back on it. Doesn't make sense. So I use a fan. I just literally do this until my face feels dry. I feel so bougie. Okay, so my face feels about dry. So the next thing I use is the Body Shop's Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Spot Daily Solution. So it looks like this. Izzy, you are the plug. Thank you for telling me about this product. This product is a lifesaver. It makes my skin glow differently. And I literally just put a few drops on the cheekbones, down my forehead to my nose, and just on my chin area. I literally just rub it in. And I try to do circular motions just so that it really gets into my pores and the product is evenly distributed. Oh, and if you're wondering why I am wearing this, what's it called, scarf, it's because I'm deep conditioning my hair. So that's why I look like your auntie. And then again, back out with a fan, just so that it dries out evenly. Okay, so it's been roughly around 10 minutes now, so I'm just gonna stop fanning. How? But you can see how glowy my skin is. Just call me Glowy Chloe. Yep. feeling it. So the next step is I take my vitamin E mist water thing. I got this from Superdrug. It's basically the same thing as this rose water. So yeah, it's really good. Also, I apologise if I'm looking up there. I need to get used to this whole seeing myself whilst filming. I used to film on my phone, so this is really new to me. And then the final step, so it just depends on what time I'm doing this. So obviously I'm doing it during the night time. So I use the Aveeno Daily Moisturising Body Lotion. I know it's for the body, but I use it for my face. But during the daytime, I use this. So it has an SPF of 17, and this just protects my face from the sun and makes me feel moisturised during the day. Because it's nighttime, I'm going to be using this one. So I don't use that much just because it is so thick and creamy, so a little goes a long way. I just dab it around my face. And I really feel like this product sinks into my skin. I wake up the next day and my face is just glowing. So yeah, I'll definitely invest in this product. For me personally, it is definitely on the more pricey side. I mean, it's only £7, but like Vaseline and Palmer's, whatever, they're no more than, what, £4. So I only get Aveeno when it's on offer, and it was. Okay, so now that I've basically creamed my face, toned it, it's like this now until I go to bed. The next thing I do is cream my body, but yeah, I'm not going to film it for you guys just because surely you know how to cream. Surely you're creaming. If you're not creaming, your skin must feel like an alligator because your skin is dry. But if you don't cream every day, at least twice a day, you can leave the video now. Okay, thank you. Okay, now they're gone, I'm going to show you what I use to cream. So I use this, so it is the Vaseline, or Vaseline as people call it, Essential Healing Cream. It's mixed in with aloe vera, I think it is, or something like that, but it smells alright, does the job. So if I have any spots or blemishes or just something I don't particularly like on my face, I then go ahead and put some Pseudo Creme on it. So Pseudo Creme is honestly the best invention of life. It is life because it heals open wounds, eczema, surface wounds, sunburns, minor burns and acne. So this little thing here is a godsend. If you're not using Pseudo Creme, you need to get some right now because it is amazing. Also another amazing product for spots is this. So again, it is from the man himself, Mr. Mario. Yep, so this is his drying lotion. So this drying lotion, honestly, this is the product that I believe that cleared up my spots. I haven't got any spots that need this at the moment, but I will test it out for you. So just get one of these ear picks, not ear picks, these things anyway. Just literally dip it in until it gets to the pink stuff at the bottom and apply it to the area that you believe it needs to go on. So right now, I'd probably say maybe, you know what, I'm just so happy that my skin's back to normal. It doesn't need to go anywhere. But right now, for you guys, it could probably just go above my eyebrow and then maybe here. I tend to use it on my new spots that have just appeared up, so I think I have one on my nose at the moment. And literally, you go to sleep with it, and the next day, the spot is basically gone. So if you ain't got it, go get it. And really, you don't need too much Pseudo Creme. I see a lot of girls put loads of Pseudo Creme on their face when they don't actually need to. A little goes a long way. You don't need to overpack it. You don't need to put too much on. Less is more, girls. Less is more. And guys, of course. So I just put it on the areas that I've got blemishes, and I try to really mix it in just so that it goes under my skin. And also I don't want patches on my pillowcases, so I tend to rub it in quite a lot. Okay, so my teeth are brushed because I brushed it before it, and then I just put some Vaseline on my lips. And then I also put it on my eyebrows. I don't know if this helps grow your eyebrows, I don't know, but I just put it on every night just in case it does. Lastly, when I do have lashes, I do brush them. I get my lashes done by Elise, so she does Russians, all of that lash terminology that I just picked up like literally last week when I got these done. Her name is Lash Direct on Instagram, and I will link it down below. And if you use the code Chloe15, that will get you 15% off your checkout. So make sure that you go check her out. Okay, so my skin is moisturized, my face is moisturized. All I need to do is get in my pajamas. So okay, so I am in my pajamas now. I'm cool, I'm fresh, I feel lovely and ready for bed. So that is it for me, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed the quality that I'm going to be giving you. And make sure you like, comment and subscribe, because my next video is a vlog of me going to Wales. So if you want to see that, make sure you are subscribed and stick around for many more videos. But that's enough for me, guys. Catch you later. Bye. Catch you later. What was that?